Ain't that pretty? The grand tour. Alright, you HVAC hacks, here we go again. I got a new project for Christmas. This is the last two big pieces of the old duct that came out of this building. You may have seen a video where this 7.5 was sitting here. Three-phase width. We had a bee's nest down here. We had a bee's nest on the video. And I tied this in last week around Friday the 13th of 2015. But this is just the last two big pieces. This one came off the big 10-ton air handler. It had no insulation. And you can see the quality craftsmanship. This thing was losing more air, enough to fill up a house with air conditioning. But this is, you know, some of you old timers probably very familiar. Locks and drives. See big holes everywhere. No insulation, no caulking, no half-ass taping. But there was a mountain. You can see the evidence. Shit, I might even save some of these things here. The locks and drives there, but here's another good example here. This thing was probably put together in the 60s. See that? Just old school stuff. So this is the main unit here. We drilled a hole for a 5-ton down here. You can see a hole right there. That's going to be a copper line set for a 5-ton. So this is a back door. This building had several businesses in here. We got a hole there to deal with. Going down the main hallway. There's a whole thermostat here. Half a return and a whole return. That's where the two filter grills are going. And this is the 7-ton train, belt drive train. And there's my duct with locks and drives. Started some insulation, but there's my copper tied in. It goes down and down across down here and out the wall there for the copper lines. And you can see the PVC's not done yet. So sections, brand new duct on the top. Comes through the wall. I had that 90 up there, but it was over there. Then they wanted to put light fixtures down the middle of the hallway, so that 90 there would have been landing here in the way of light fixtures. So I put an extension on there and added it there. And here we got a 12-inch. It's going to go up there on the next section. Okay, now there's a few more rooms and offices back there, but we'll go back out front. Just show another air handler before it's all covered up and gone forever. There's a trunk line going down the wall. It's existing. It's been there forever. It goes all the way down there behind that wall. We got to cut out the holes and find the vents and put boots in there. I finished this yesterday, wrapped it this morning. This is, electrician's coming along pretty good here. Well, I tried to get them to sweep up. And here's a GMC air handler heat pump. I'll wrap that up this morning. Probably do some duck butter before it's over with, but not a priority today. I'm gonna run a thermostat wire behind that wall. And probably put a thermostat right around there. And that's where timber. Okay, hey, check it out. They put plastic there. Bam, thank you very much. I haven't been down here in a while. It's the backyard. You see the dumpster there. So this will be the main front office here. There's the highway there. Over here, we're going to do a mini split. There, uh-oh, what we got here? Tools, lots of tools. Hole there. And we're going to run the line set and the drain over there. And it'll go out the backyard down to the ground for a mini split. Mitsubishi. This building doesn't get locked up. Then there are people leaving all their tools in here. Crazy. But you can see the old ceiling. That wire mesh ceiling with plaster. Old, just old. This building got flooded by a incomplete roofing job. Big rains came by and it got destroyed. This room is getting a mini split. If I'm not mistaken, there's a hole up in this area somewhere there. We'll have to go outside and poke it. We can hang a little air handler there. Okay, down the main hall, little closets. There's a dark. There's a bathroom here. Let's see, we are pushing 8.5 minutes here. Okay, so that's my next section of ductwork. That is going up there and it's going to go all the way down the hallway. Okay, here we're going to bust all that out and bring a 12-inch through there, a T fitting that's going to go into that hole, and a little bit down there with an end cap on it. It will probably put 2, maybe 3 vents in this room. This is a little storage area here, a back door area. There's a piece of flex up there on the old wall, so we may do a vent in here also. We got to investigate all up in there. There's an old air handler up there. Old as dirt. It needs to come out. Storage room is loaded with storage. Man, okay, wow, here's a big fat panel box here. Man, it's got all that 3-phase in it. Let's see what we got here. Take white straight, danger, danger, it's your ass. Evidently, this is a hot box. I ain't touching it. God, wait, boy. You can just smell the age. Yep, you can smell it. Okay. But fair warning, huh? Okay, let's get this back up there. Alright, so what's back here? Oh shit, another room. I'm not sure what's going on here for air vents. Maybe nothing, I'm not sure. Oh well. There's some stairs that goes up to a room up there to where the old air handler is at, but so fun. That's about all I can show you without wasting all the memory or battery or what have you. I'm gonna turn this thing off. There we go. Turn that thing off. And that's about it. My first visit in here was Friday the 13th. And they told me the sheetrockers are coming next week. And they were here today. Alrighty. That's about a wrap. So if something happens, this video is my proof. Okay. That looks good. I'll get my mess. Close these doors up here a little bit. Come on, get your ass up there. There we go. No keys, no deadbolts, no way to secure. The lights probably stay on. I think I got all my stuff. I'm nervous just to leave my ladder here. But we'll take a chance. I'll be back tomorrow morning to finish up some of this mess here. Alrighty, but yeah, see, there's a 8-inch boot right there. And another 8-inch there. Short flex off a collar. And I think that's all she wrote. Have a good one.